Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and today we are back with the giveaway video. I apologize for the lateness of this. I have been out trick-or-treating with my grandbabies. We went to the church, and we had a lot of fun, but I am wore out. So, we are going to go through all the giveaways. The first one is going to be for the little pumpkin patch swap pumpkin with the cute little face. So, let's see who won that. Paula Kennedy. Woohoo! Congratulations. Okay, this one is for In the Style of Paige Evans. Betty Lou Smathers. Yay! Congratulations. Okay, this one is for the Tall Bloom swap, which was the little sunflowers. So, let's see who won that one. Kimberly Litton. Yay! Congratulations. Alright, this one is going to be for the harvest time embellishment. So it was any fall things in a basket, barrel, bucket, whatever, container. Carolyn Valentine. Yay! Congratulations. Okay, this one is for the super cute panda embellishments from Marjorie Ann Designs. Lori Judge, yay! Congratulations. Okay, this one is for the decluttered wood veneer. JoJo! Yay, congratulations. Okay, and this one is a redraw from last month. It's for the cute little birthday girl. She was not claimed. JoJo, yay! Alright, so I will send those together. Okay, this one is also a redraw for the mushroom envelope that I did with the little mushrooms and greenery and all that stuff in it. Colleen Cornett. Yay, congratulations. And I say it all the time, but please, please, please come back if you subscribe. Hit that little bell so it will notify you whenever I post a new video, especially the giveaway videos, because I need you to come back. Even if you have won before, I still need you to contact me to let me know you're acknowledging this, that you're coming back and watching, and just to make sure everything's good before I mail out. So, that is all my giveaways that I have for this month, but I do have some giveaways that I'm going to do for the participation over in my group. So, if you played along with the decluttering and the organization videos, if you played along with Shake It, Scrap It, Create It, any of those things, I am giving out Happy Mail prizes. So let me get those wheels up and we will see who won. Okay, so I am back to do all these drawings for participation in my Facebook group. If you're not already over there, I would love to have you. The link is below in the description box. It is such a great group over there with everyone is so great. And I love seeing all of y'all's inspiration, what y'all have created. So this first wheel, I'm doing wheels for these because they're from Facebook, so I can't just pull a link to put in. And this one is for the October Scrap Lift Scrapbook Challenge. And there's 7 entries, and you might see some names more than once because that means they did both challenges. because each month there is 2 card challenges, 2 scrapbook challenges, and they post every Monday. So on months that have 5 weeks, there'll be one of something extra, whichever week it falls on, because I alternate. 1 week is cards, the next week's scrapbook, the next week's cards, the next week's scrapbooks. So that everyone can feel like they can participate in something, because I know not everyone is a scrapbooker. That's what I mostly do. I do like to make cards occasionally, and I know that there is a lot of card makers out there. So I wanted to do separate entries for cards and separate entries for layout, so that everyone has a fair chance. So I am not going to show what you guys are going to be getting for Happy Mail on these. I want it to be a surprise, but I would love it if whenever you receive it, if you would post a picture on the group with what you got. And it will also help me know that it got there. Pip, what do you want? Okay, so let's see. We have 7 entries on this one, and I'm just going to hit shuffle a few times. And let's turn the volume up. Let's see. Yay! Lori Winarski. That's probably not right. But yay, congratulations. Okay, so I'm going to close this one. Oh, I better write it down first. I have all my wheels ready, so I'm just going to keep rolling through them. So this one was for, what did I say? The scrapbook. Okay, Lori W. Okay, so that is that one. So I'm going to close it out. Okay, so this one is for the Scrap Lift Card Challenge. And I'm gonna shuffle it up. This one has 11 entries on it, and a couple names are twice. And yay, Karen Goddard, all the way over in Australia. Woo woo! Congratulations. Okay, let me write that down. My cats are over here trying to fight. Stop it! Go night night. Okay, so I'm just going to close this out. I'm done with that board. And this one is for, I had to add photos because I don't know how it, well, maybe it's this. It is, I can. I didn't know how I could name my wheels, so I added a photo so I would know what it was. So this one is for y'all that contributed organization photos. Now, there was literally almost, I think, 100 or maybe over 100 photos in this album, but you only got entered one time, no matter how many photos you entered. So, let me shuffle these. It says there was 10 entries. Thank you, guys. I'm so inspired by what you guys posted. I hope y'all are coming along. Your rooms are coming along really nicely. Carolyn Valentine. Yay. And she also got the first bingo for organization. So, yay. You'll get 2 things, Carolyn. Alright, this one is for the What You Decluttered photo album. And to participate in these, all you have to do is actually just add your photos to that album. So, I shuffled it up. Let's see. We have 8 entries on this one. And I know Miss Kimberly actually got the first bingo for Declutter. And I don't think she added any of her photos in the album, so her name did not go in. But yay, Nancy Smith. So, Kimberly, you will be getting something for having the first bingo. And Nancy, you will be getting some happy mail for your decluttering. Okay, so we can clutter it back up, right? Okay, this one is for Shake It, Scrap It, Create It. And I wanted to do happy mail for you guys who have played along with it. And it's kind of hard to monitor unless I actually go in for the month. So I'm really like up in the air on whether I should just cut off comments to that album and make a new one for, say, the rest of the year, and just maybe do it a couple months at a time for a prize. I don't know. I'm gonna have to really think about it going into the new year. I may just track it by looking up the month. It just takes longer. But okay. So anyways, we have 10 entries. There has been other people play along with this, a lot more than 10. And they send me their stuff by email because they're not on Facebook. But you have to be in the Facebook group to win, because that's the only way I have to track things. Okay, so Trevor, whoop whoop, Travis Scott, yay, congratulations. Okay, so I think that is all that I have for you guys this month. I will work on getting all your stuff out. I need you to message me to claim it and send me your address to make sure I have it correct. And to just bump it up in the chat so that I can find you easier. And if you know any of these folks that won, please give them a shout out so that they can come and claim their prizes, because like I said, I did have to redraw for 2 that wasn't claimed. So I am shifting over into holiday mode now that all the organization's done, and I'm ready to start creating some holiday pieces. So I hope that you guys will join me for that in the next month or so. And until next time, bye y'all.